Let's look at this example from Lesson 2 of Hands-on Equations Fractions, and we will be demonstrating the solution on the student portal. The problem says 4/3 of y plus 8 is equal to 12. Down here, we see the fraction blocks we will be using. The yellow block is the unknown y, and we see here that each blue block is 1/3 of y. The equation says 4/3 of y. Here we have 1/3 of y. Here we have 2/3 of y. Here we have 3/3 of y. And now we have 4/3 of y plus 8, a constant of 8. And on the right side, we have the value of 12. So we have a 10 cubed and a 2 cubed. We now can proceed to use legal moves. Let's take away an 8 value from this side. Let's take away an 8 value from the 10. The 10 becomes a 2. We now have 4 blue blocks that have the value of 4. That means that each blue block is 1. So let's write B, the blue block, is equal to 1. We notice here that 3 of the blue blocks make the whole. So therefore y, which consists of 3 blue blocks, is going to be 3. And now, to do the check, we need to reset the original problem one more time. So we're going to clear the board. And we're going to set up the problem one more time. We need 4/3 of y plus a constant of 8. And all of that is going to be equaling a value of 12. So now let's do the check. If each blue block is 1, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8 is 12. The left side is 12. The right side is also 12, and there's also 12, and therefore this answer does work out. Thank you.